Hello. Okay, we have probability question, and this probability question is one of the question given to me by one of my students. So what we have here is we have at a high school with 300 students, 62 play football, 33 play baseball, and 14 play both sports. If a student is selected at random, find the probability that student plays football or baseball. Okay, now, so first, now let's write down. Now we know that the number of students in the high school. Okay, the number of students in the high school. Let's represent that by okay, the number of students in the school. All right, equals to 300. Now the number of students who play football. Okay, football. That's F. Is what is 62. And we also have the number of students who play baseball, which is B, okay, that is 33. And the number of students, okay, the number of students who play both games, who play both sports, okay, that's football intersection baseball, that will be 14. Okay, now in terms of probability, okay, in terms of probability, we know that we can obtain the probability of students who play football. So now the probability of students who play football will be number of students who play football out of the number of students in the high school. So that will be 62 out of 300. Okay, then also we can also obtain the probability of students who play baseball. Okay, now, and that will be the number of students who play baseball, all right, out of the number of students in the high school. So that will be 33 out of what? 300. Now, we're also giving that 14 play both sports. So that will be the intersection of F, which is for football, and B, which is for baseball. So the probability of students who plays both football and baseball will be 14 out of 300. Now, we want to obtain the probability that student plays football or baseball. Now, don't forget that we are going to apply additional rule in this case. That's additional probability. Now, we have we are giving probability of students who play football. Okay, we have probability of students who play football to be 62 out of 300. Then baseball to be 33 out of 300. Then for both sports, it is 14 out of 300. So we are going to use the one of the formulas in in set theory. Okay, that is when we have, for instance, we have the union of football and baseball. Cardinality of the union of football and baseball will be equals to cardinality of football positive cardinality of baseball negative cardinality of football intersection baseball. Okay, so we now know that in terms of probability, okay, in terms of probability, so this would then be probability of students who plays either football or baseball, okay, to be equals to the probability of students who play football plus probability of students who play baseball, then probability minus probability of students who play both sports. So let's plug in the value of each. Now we have probability of students who play football to be 62 out of 300. Then we add that to the probability of students who play baseball to be 33, okay, out of 300. Then minus probability of students who play both sports, which is 14 out of 300. All right, so we know that our common denominator will be 300. So here we have 62 plus 33 minus 14. Okay, minus 14. So this is going to be 95 minus 14 out of 300. Okay. So this is going to be 81 out of what? 300. So the probability of students who play both, who play football or baseball is 81 out of 300. Now we can reduce this, okay? Now dividing this by 3, when we divide this by 3, it's going to be 27, okay? Now when we divide this by 3, it will be 100. So the probability of students who play football or baseball would be 27 out of 100. Thank you.